you see?
Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing the Aukey Dashcam on Bay's ACURA RDX.
RDX?
Aukey Dashcam. Got a 128GB memory card. Ta-da! There we go. This is it. It has foam inside. Oh wow! Wow! It's so sleek. This thing is super small.
That's what she said.
Wide-angle lens in the front. This is the view screen. Basically, you can watch it or turn it off. If there's any event you want to capture, you can just press the button. Okay, let's see what else we got in the box. Mounting things, suction cup. Ooh, this could be useful. Suction cup. This is the one we're likely gonna go with. The direct mount. Got some extra 3M tape. Instruction manual. The wiring. And even more 3M tape. I'm really hoping that I don't have to splice this. So they give you this USB port. Oh, it's to USB. So for the meantime, we might wire it via USB because we have a USB port already over here. I'm gonna be test mounting the dash cam. I'm gonna use this mount right here, 3M tape. This is basically just a clip. You see the back end has a perfect slot for the clip to go into. Just line it up. Boom. That's it. 4 spots. You want to make sure you put the memory card in. Let's get our SD card out. Samsung, you already know. Got into the meat of this thing. SD card. Make sure you open it and not drop it immediately on the floor like a dummy. Take the card. Insert it into your camera. So basically, I'm going to mount it right here. If you ever have to record anything, you just press this first button right here and it'll start recording. You want to make sure you clean the area that you're going to mount the camera to, the window. You want to make sure you clean that up nice and good. And just eyeball it. Now, the plan is to tuck this wire up here and then through the side all the way down. Hopefully take it out through there, sneak it back there, and hopefully it'll just come out to the USB port. Tucking tool. Sorry the lighting is so bad. I'm just gonna slide it underneath the trim.
What you doing?
Look who it is.
Nice.
1 hour later.
Alright, just to give you guys a little update, we have the camera mounted. The wire is going past the easy pass up into the headliner. I made it travel this way for the time being. And it goes down the A-pillar. I still got some of the wiring here. It's going to be tucked down through the A-pillar to come out to the glove box. And the only reason that I did that at the moment is because bay right here already has a USB thing going on. So I'm going to just loop it through here, tuck it through the carpet, hide it through the carpet, have it come up here, so you'll basically see it a little bit from here to there. Working on tucking the last bit of this wire. I know, could look better if it came through the center, but for the time being, that's how it's gonna be. It's gonna be the first drive with the car and the camera. Alright guys, this is the first drive with the camera. As you can see, it's fairly clear. Not much going on here, just a drive through the neighborhood. Alright guys, thank you for watching to the end of this video. Installing a dash cam on any vehicle will help protect you, you'll help protect your family. At the end of the day, it's their words against yours. So keep yourself protected, have some evidence out there for yourself to protect yourself. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.